Lesson 7. Lesson 7. The coastal plains and the islands. And check out page number 33. In page number 33, second last paragraph. Means from here, we have to start, no? The Konkan coast. Okay, the Konkan coast. All of you see carefully, the Konkan coast we have to start, isn't it? No. Already we have discussed about the life in the coastal plains. Life in the coastal plains means here, what we have discussed. Now we'll revise which type of occupation the people follow in the coastal areas, isn't it? No. What are the occupation of the people? Those who are living in the coastal areas, those who are living in the coastal region. So the occupation, what is that? Farming, agriculture, no, farming, doing agricultural works, isn't it? No, fishing, okay, soil making, mining, dairy farming. These are the occupation of the people to live, to earn their livelihood, isn't it? No, these are the occupation of the people to earn their livelihood. So these are the people, those who are living in the coastal region, occupation of the people. This one, and what else we have discussed? That what type of dress they used to wear, no? What is the dress of the women? What is the dress of the men? All of you know? Okay, the women used to wear the sari and the blouse, and the men used to wear lungi, kurta, lungi shirt. This is the dressing sense of the people over there in the coastal region. Okay, now, but metropolitan city, that also comes under the coastal area. Because of their culture, the people, they wear which type of dress? They wear Western dresses because their culture is like that in the metropolitan city. Metropolitan city means Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. These are the places, no, metropolitan cities, big cities. So they used to wear Western dress, isn't it? No, they used to wear Western dress. Clear? Now, the Konkan coast is rich in oil deposit. Konkan coast. Okay, tell me where Konkan coast lies. Where it lies, Konkan coast, where? See, this is the coastal area. This. Okay, so this is here. This is which part? This is Western Ghats, and this is Eastern Ghats. Yes or no? This is Western Ghats, and this is Eastern Ghats. Clear? Now, where the coastal coast lie? It lies in the Western Ghats. This is a Konkan coast, no? Konkan coast. Okay. So this is a Konkan coast. Where it lies? It lies in the western part of India. Western side, no? Now, the Konkan coast is rich in oil deposits. So this area is rich, this region, this coastal area is rich in oil deposits. Okay, oil deposit is there. Okay. Now, many oil wells have been dug near the Mumbai coast. So here Mumbai is situated, no? Mumbai. This area Mumbai is situated. Okay, so there it is rich in the oil deposit. That area is rich in oil deposit. Okay. And that we call as Mumbai coast. Why? Because Mumbai also is situated near the, where it lies? It lies in the Konkan coast only. It lies in the Konkan coast only, Mumbai. Understand? And there is a rich deposit of oil. Okay. Now the Mahanadi Delta is famous for its rich soil. Okay. Mahanadi Delta, Mahanadi River, where it's the mouth of the river. No, delta means the mouth of the river called as a delta. Okay, that is very famous for rich soil. That delta means rich soil means fertile soil. Mahanadi Delta is good for fertile soil. So where it is Mahanadi Delta? You see here. Here you see the river. River is now Mahanadi river is flowing. No, so here the mouth is there. No, so this will come Mahanadi Delta. It will become okay. the mouth of the river, and that region is having a rich soil, fertile soil. The delta is famous, means the delta is having a rich and fertile soil. Understand? Now, this coastal plain is called rice bowl of India. Which region is called rice bowl of India? Means the Mahanadi Delta. That region, the coastal region, where it lies in the coast, the Konkan coast. This area is rich for what purpose? It is a good fertile soil is there, so that we call the rice bowl of India. Why? Because heavy rainfall takes place and rice need lot of water to grow. Okay, rice need lot of water to grow, no? Then only rice will grow, no? So that area is called, that region is called rice bowl of India. That coastal region is called rice bowl of India. Understand? Now, what do you mean by rice bowl of India? It means it's full with rice. Too much production of rice. Okay. Rice is produced more and more over that area. Understand? That's why we call that area rice bowl of India. Understand? Now, oil seeds and sugarcane are other crops. These are the also other crops which are grown in this region. Understand? Rice, oil seeds, sugarcane. These are the crops which are grown in this region. Where? In the Konkan region. In that coastal area. Which coastal area it is? Western coastal area. And this is eastern coastal area. All of you understood? Getting it? Now, our country has many advantages of the long coast. Because of the long coast, the country has many advantages. What are the merits? What are the advantages? Okay, here you see there are important ports like Kandla, Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, and Paradip. These are the what? These are the ports. Okay, these are the ports. These are the name of the ports. Okay. These ports have facilities for the loading and unloading of ships. Port means, you know, where the ship go, the place where the ship lies. Okay, where the ships stay, where the ships lies, where the export and import of the goods takes place, the loading and unloading of the goods takes place. So here this area, ports are also there because near the sea it is there. Ship, okay, ship is there, and the loading and unloading of the goods takes place. We used to keep the goods, no, in the ship. Then only it will go from one place to another. Ship, all of you know? All of you know ship, no? There only the loading and unloading of the goods takes place, isn't it, no? The area where the loading and unloading of the ships takes place, that area is what we call that? Harbor. That what we call harbor, isn't it, no? Now here you see, these are the different ports. These are the name of the ports. Okay, what I have just now discussed, no, in front of you. These ports have facility for loading and unloading of the ships, carrying goods and passengers. Passengers are also carried from one place to another. Wherever they have to go, they can go from here. These areas are having the ports because it is near the sea. Understand? The goods are also carried, or the passengers are also carried from one place to another. Therefore, these ports have become big center of international trade and commerce. It means this ports, whatever the ports we have discussed, no, the ports are there. When you see the map, you will come to know that where the ports are situated. Okay. So these ports, just now we have discussed, no, the name of the ports. What are the name of the ports? Kandla, Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, and Paradip. These are the name of the ports where the loading and unloading of the goods and where the passengers also can go from one place to another. Understand? Is it clear? This we are talking about waterways. Ship, by waterways they used to move, isn't it? And therefore these ports have become big center of international trade. International trade means export and import of the goods. Means our country name is India. to one place to another country. Suppose in any other country they have to export the goods. Suppose in USA, if the good is going, goods are we are exporting the goods. Okay. Suppose in another place, another country we are exporting the goods. So we have to first what we have to do. First we have to load the goods in the ship. No, then only it will move from one place to another. Yes or no? First we load the goods in the ship. Then only it will move from one place to another. Clear now? So, what is that? Therefore, the ports have become a big center of international trade and commerce. So, export of goods from these areas, these are the coastal regions, so export of goods takes place from here, one place to another, and we earn money from the other country. Suppose we have goods. Suppose this area is a rice bowl of India, we call that. No, why? Because heavy rainfall takes place and rice require more and more water, isn't it? No. So oil seed rice. So these goods, what we are doing, we are exporting to other countries also. If we will exporting to other countries means transfer of goods from one place to another. Are we clear? Clear it is? Transfer of goods from one place to another. Understand? No. So, and when we transfer the goods, or when we sell the goods to another country, we will earn money. When we sell the goods, suppose when you are getting this book from the market, the shopkeepers are getting money or not? Tell me, yes or no? The same way, when we sell the goods, when we export the good, when we sell the good to the other country, then we will earn money. Yes. So our economic condition will also improve. Our economic infrastructure will also improve. We have good economic condition. Lot of money we will gain. Lot of wealth we will gain. Isn't it? No. Yes or no? You are getting it. Very good. So that's why these ports have a big center of international trade. Trade means export and import of the goods takes place. The area where the export and import means selling of the good and purchasing of the good from other countries. So when this takes place is called what? It is called international trade and commerce. What we call that? International trade and commerce. And this is very important to improve the economic condition of the country, to improve the wealth of the country. Yes or no? How will get money? By selling the goods to other countries. By selling the goods to other countries, and instead of that we'll get money. Yes, no? And in this way, our country will progress. Our economic condition will become better. Understand? Clear? Say yes or no? Yes? Getting it? Islands. Okay. India has two groups of islands. Turn the page number 34. All of you open it. First line you see. Page number 34. India has two groups of islands. Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. What are they? Two groups of island, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and another one is Lakshadweep Island. Okay, clear? Now here in the map, when you will see here, all of you see, this area, this is here, what is, which island is here? Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, here, Andaman and Nicobar Island. When you see the map, isn't it? Okay, and here, this area is here. Which island is here? Lakshadweep Island. Okay. This island is Lakshadweep Island. Here, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Which part inside? This is which part? This is eastern part. and this is western part. So you have to get very clear which part the Andaman and Nicobar Island is situated. It is situated in the eastern side of India, and Lakshadweep Island is situated in the western side of India. So this is the western side and this is the eastern side. Clear? Okay. Now, so this is a two group of islands which are there. Okay. Now, island means, the land which is surrounded by the water from all the sides. The land which is surrounded by water from all the sides is called island. Now, we will discuss first island, Andaman and Nicobar Island. So here, Andaman and Nicobar Island is there. See in your book, all of you see the map. You will understand where the Andaman and Nicobar Island is here. You see, this is a map here. And here, Andaman and Nicobar Island, here it is. And this side, when you will see, this is Lakshadweep Island is here. So first we will discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay? First we'll discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Now here, Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory of India. What we call Andaman and Nicobar Island? Union territory of India. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is what? Port Blair. What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Port Blair. Okay. Now, it has a group of around 572 islands. So, Andaman and Nicobar Islands consist how many islands? So many small islands are there. How many islands it consists? 572 islands. Group of 572 islands. The northern group in Andaman Islands and southern group is Nicobar Island. Northern part is Andaman Island and southern part is Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is given no and. So Andaman is having how many? It will come under the northern group, and Nicobar will come under the southern group. Understand? And these are spread over 8,000 square kilometers in Bay of Bengal. So how much area it covers? The area which is covered 8,000 square kilometers. How much area it covers? 8,000 square kilometers. What? The area which is covered by Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Understand? And out of these, there are about 36 islands which are populated. So here, only 36 islands are there which are populated. Total, how many are there? 572 islands. Only 36 islands are inhabited. Inhabited means populated. Populated means the people are living over there. Understand? People are living over there. So how many islands are there? Those who people are living? 36 islands are there where the people live their lives, where the people are living. Understand? The others are uninhabited as they were small and do not have fresh water. Why the other islands? You will see that 572 islands are there. So many islands are there. Why only this much only the people are living? Why only 36 islands are there where the people are living? Why? Because 36 islands are there where it is populated, where the people are living. But the other rest of the part, they are uninhabited. Uninhabited means the people are not living over there. So why they are not living? What is the reason behind it? Because that islands are very small. Because that islands are very small and they have not fresh water, and they do not have fresh water, and the people, we need fresh water to live. We need fresh water, isn't it? No. And we need proper area also to live, otherwise it is difficult for us to survive, isn't it? No. So because of this, the people are not able to live over there. So here, many of these are covered with dense forest. And what is the reason of, one more reason is here, dense forest. Dense forest means so many forests are there. And it's very difficult for the people to survive over there, no? Because dangerous animals also live over there in the dense forest. Yes or no? When too much forest are there, so dangerous animals, wild animals also live in that forest. Yes or no? So it is very difficult for the people to survive. That's why that area is uninhabited. Okay. Now, Indra Point is the southernmost part of our country in the Nicobar Island. Indra Point. Where the Indra Point is located? It is in the Nicobar Island. Okay? Where the Indra Point is located? That is located in the Nicobar Island. And it is the southernmost part of the country. In the Nicobar Island. It is southernmost part of our country named India. Southernmost part. That is called what? Nicobar Island. No, Indra Point is the southernmost point. Now we will discuss Lakshadweep. Here, next island we'll discuss Lakshadweep Island. So where the Lakshadweep Island is situated? Here you see the map where the Lakshadweep Island is situated. Here in the western side of you see the Lakshadweep Island. Are you able to see the Lakshadweep Island? Now we will discuss about this island. You know, the Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. This is also the union territory of India. Okay? And the capital of this Lakshadweep Island is what? Kavaratti. What is the capital? Andaman and Nicobar Island capital is Port Blair, and Lakshadweep Island capital is Kavaratti. What is the capital? Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. See in the book carefully. Okay, and it has a group of 36 coral islands. Coral islands means where the species live, where the species are living, okay, near the sea. That area is called coral island. Okay, in the water, the species are living inside of the water, like fish and all. So many water animals we can say. Understand? So that area, it has a 36 groups of coral islands. How many islands are there? 36 groups of coral islands are there. Okay. Now, sea covering an area of about 32 square kilometer. And how much area it covers? 32 square kilometer. Which Lakshadweep Island? No. And out of these, only 10 islands are inhabited. So total, how many are there? How many islands are there? 36 islands were there. In which? In Lakshadweep Island. Total 36 small islands were there. But only 10 islands are inhabited. 10 islands are inhabited means people living over there. Only in 10 islands. Understand? Only 10 islands. Where? In the Lakshadweep Island. Clear? Now, life in the island. What type of life people live in the islands? Lakshadweep Island or Andaman and Nicobar Island. The area surrounded by the water from all the sides. So, what type of life? Here also the water is there. All the side water is there. So, what type of life people live? What difficulties they have to face? Now, the life in the islands, you see here, the climate in the island is hot and humid. Definitely the island, as it is near the sea, the people living near the sea, that's why the climate, which type of climate they live? Just now we are living a humid type of climate, no? Humid means the moisture is there in the air. Okay. And hot type of climate. Heavy rains during the monsoon, and the heavy rainfall takes place. More and more rainfall takes place. Okay. So help in the growth of the plants and trees. So lot of dense forest we find over there near the islands. And people living in these islands are mostly tribal. The people are tribal. Tribal means those who are far away from the cities. The people, those who are uncivilized. They are not civilized. They are uncivilized. They are not able to get the education properly. Understand? The people, those who are not able to get the education. We are civilized because we are getting the education. But those who are not able to get the education, that such type of people are called what? Uncivilized and tribal people. Is it clear? And they have tribal people have their own customs, own tradition, own festivals, different customs and tradition and festivals. Okay, and apart from the tribal fish, they used to have seafoods. They have the seafoods, fish, but these are the food. No, people here are well adapted in the forest environment. They are habitual to the forest environment because they are living near the forest, because that area is rich of it's having a dense forest. The main occupation is the people living in the island. What is the main occupation of the people? Fishing and farming are the main occupation of the people. And these are the crops, paddy crops are grown over there. Okay, means they used to grow rice and all. Okay, and now coconut is the major crops. Coconut is the major crops, and the fishing is the major activity in the Lakshadweep Island. Also, the coconut trees we find the coconut trees over there. The occupation is farming and fishing. Okay, these islands have recognized as eco-friendly tourist destination. Means the tourist attraction place. Okay, that is a tourist used to come over there to look after the beauty of the island. Okay, from different countries, from different area, the people come to see the island, the beauty of the island. Understand? And here, the famous cellular jail is in the Port Blair, where mainly Indian freedom fighters were kept during the British period. You know, the cellular jail is there. Jail, you know, cellular jail is there. Where it lies? It lies in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. There is a cellular jail. And you know, during the time of the freedom, at that time, when India got freedom, okay, at that time the fighters were kept in that jail by the British. That time the British rule were there, no, before the independence. British rule was there. So at that time, the fighters, freedom fighters, those who are fighting for the freedom, understand, no? That fighters were, they were sent to that jail. Which jail? Cellular jail. And it is situated where? It is situated in the Port Blair. And where the Port Blair lies? It lies in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Is it clear? Is it clear to you? Or it is going out? It is clear to you? Able to understand? Okay. So please read this chapter by your own. Okay? Try to read and try to see the map and match it. Okay? So you will understand more. And match with the map. So you will understand more and more. Okay? Thank you.